Hi, this is Bobby at TV Repair functionality proof video for a Mitsubishi mainboard that was sent here and repaired on the 28th of January 2020. This is something fairly unique. That board wasn't serviced by me. It must have been serviced by somebody else and that was most definitely not anyone here, must have replaced the HDMI selector. I know we wouldn't do such a sloppy job in doing that, but I know some of my techs may skip on seeing that, which is kind of not contradicting, but not quite going along with we wouldn't do such a sloppy job. Anyhow, that's one of the first things that I noticed when I opened the board, and this is a fairly unique marking that the customer will know this is their board and not just something else. Anyhow, customer said that when they received the board, their TV were just blinking and not showing anything. It worked right off out of the box for us. I didn't do anything to that board other than notice that HDMI selector. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see that other HDMI ports are also working. Every time the HDMI selector port is replaced, whoever did that, whenever they did that, should have taken care of testing the rest. I don't know which input is which. It's really messed up with the... Okay, that's the one. It was the proper one, yeah. Okay, so those two HDMI ports work fine. I would assume that the others are working fine too. Again, if it was me, or if it was us, having replaced that processor, we would have tested all of those HDMI inputs. But anyhow, the board clearly is working fine. We don't expect anything to be different. The way it should work is when you turn it off, we have the front LED light moved to here, so that it's easier for us to see it from the back. A little dark, but there it is. That's the light that normally goes at the front down there, and what will happen when the TV is turned on, there I am turning it off, so I'm turning it on, it will start blinking, and it's gonna go like that for a while the TV is initializing. And most of the TVs during this era do that. They download the firmware from the NAND flash into the RAM memory, and they will start executing from there once they are ready. So once this is done blinking, it still blinks. Once it is done blinking, the TV can be started with the remote or with a button on the side. It takes a while to start as well. From the moment you press, there you go, it's done. From this moment on, I can take the remote, power it somewhere down there, and it doesn't click immediately, but the indicator goes green and it starts up. So there you go, the board is working. That's what you wanted to know. Turn it off, and best of luck with your repairs. Thanks.